Hi guys, thought I'd give everyone a bit of an update on where we are with the Excel. Had our new rims refurbished by our great friends at Alloy Magic, Billy the Trade Dog's here. I've now also refurbished all the guards, and the front crash bar has all been now completed. I've got the wire mesh to go in front of the radiator, ordered a new airbox and received all that. Actually got parts everywhere at the moment, including from Mrs. Mish's garage radiator. We found a hole in the last one, which is why it was overheating. Also got 3 holes I found in the sump, so we've got a new sump organised, got new rear drums. I've already put new pads in. The crash bar on the back has come up really well as well. And those that are interested, underneath I've painted all the underside in rust guard black, and the finish has come up an absolute treat all the way around. And then just to finish all the other side with the guards as well, with the super shocks, is now all complete. So the job now is to put it all back together. Really happy with the refurbished rims. We've got a couple of colours in mind, or whether we still wrap the car is to be completed, but it's all heading in the right direction.